Welcome back, trader. This is practical step-by-step guide to withdraw your USDT or token from your Bybit Exchange to your local bank account. So let's do that. Just get your phone or system and then open the Bybit Exchange app. If you want to use Bybit or you don't have it, the link is in this video description. Now, click deposit. Yes, I know you want to withdraw, you want to sell, well, click deposit. And there are several options. You need to select P2P trading so that you have important things to search right here. Now, the first one is make sure you select sell because you want to sell. And now make sure that you select like how much do you want to sell? What is the quantity? Because there are people here that want to buy from only people that can sell millions, right? So select the range of the amount you're selling. So let's say as I have $55 here, I'm just going to type 80,000 so that people that can buy from people that want to sell like 80K will buy from me. Now, the payment method. Many people can only go to the bank to transfer and you have to wait. So select the payment method you want to receive. Is it OPay, PalmPay, or any bank transfer? So I selected bank transfer. Now, the filter, it's important too, but make sure you select your country currency, NGN for Nigeria here. Now, for the filter, there are several important things like show only eligible ads. There are some adverts that may not be good for you that can dupe you. So show only eligible ads. And you can also select how long you can be patient enough to wait. Some people can stay as much as 2 hours, 30 minutes. So I'm selecting 15 minutes so that it will be faster, right? So now based on your preference, look at the available option of people that can attend to you. Now, the next important thing you need to do is to make sure that the person you're transacting with is online. And also the person has done a reasonable amount of transaction. For instance, this small green dot beside the profile picture shows that the person is online. You can see all of it here. Now, among the people that are online, who do you trust to deal with? Now you see the number of orders. This person has transacted more than 11,000 times. This person more than 500 times, and so on and so forth. So select the person based on the price they are willing to buy to select the amount. And then anybody you want to transact with, click on sell beside the person's info. It's that simple. Now in this page, it's beginning to get interesting. So just select the amount you want to sell, but make sure you go ahead and read the person's conditions or terms. Just make sure you read this. It's very important. And now when you take your time and read it, if you don't like what the person, maybe like person is having a lot of condition, which is rare, right? Because they want to buy. They are actually in the market. Just that some people will tell you the name here is different from the name they are sending with, that they will be sending your money with their business account. Some simple things like that. So now, what is the quantity you want to sell? Okay, so now beside your currency, you can go ahead and click on the amount. But if you have not added your account number where they wrote bank transfer in mind, just go ahead, add your bank name. Okay, add the bank transfer option. You see this particular one here, bank transfer. Then add your bank details, and there are just 3 important things you need to add, which is 1, the name of your bank, the name, your name, and then your bank name and bank account number. It's as simple as that. These ones are not relevant. Now click on confirm. Okay, but for me, I already have my account details here, so I'm just going to go back and then select the amount I want to sell, or click on max if you want to sell everything, and now click on sell. It's as simple as that. But if you want to type it manually, click on the amount and type it. So now the next page opens where you see options to deposit the money. You're seeing the person's identity information, the bank account, and the rest of that. Just go ahead and click on sell. And as at this moment, the person is processing your transaction. You can see while you're waiting, you can contact the buyer here where it is written contact buyer. So I'm just going to select it and type greetings, release funds. Oh, while I'm looking down, just know that I am looking at the screen of my phone. So let's wait. 14 minutes remaining. So I just received it, and then I click on release now and confirm that I have received it. So I just release the fund to the person. So you can see I can even select the person's contact again and type done, right? So it is this simple. Just make sure you receive the credit alert in the bank account detail you added in Bybit so that it will be very quick. So I went back, you can see I've been withdrawn. So the moment you click release fund, the fund will be taken from your Bybit and sent to the person, but make sure you already receive your money in your bank account before you release the fund. It is just that simple. I hope you have clicked subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss other important updates here. Give this video a thumbs up and share it to help other people that are struggling to withdraw from their Bybit exchange. However it goes, I wish you the best in all of this.